When I go for medical appointments at UCSF, a couple of residents usually come in, med students or residents, to take my history and physical. And the first question they usually ask is, what medications are you on? And I always say to them, oh, I make my own. And they look at me like, so sometimes I think they're about to call for a psych consult because they thought they were going to treat me for some immunological problem, and they're realizing, no, this is more of a psychiatric disorder. Or they maybe think I have a meth lab at home. I don't know what they think. But they all look really like, what do I do with this guy? What I'm really talking about, and then I explain it to them, is I'm talking about the endogenous pharmacy. The reason that pharmaceuticals work in our bodies, because we already have the receptors for those drugs. The reason we have those receptors is because we make all those drugs. So the pharmaceuticals that you get from the drugstore, those are just analogs, synthetic analogs of the physiologic drugs that are synthesized prescribed by the brain and made in the body. So we have the ability to prescribe and secrete all the drugs we need. The problem is we can only do that under ideal conditions, and that doesn't happen very often, so we need pharmaceuticals. Mariusz Verga was the medical director at the Simonton Cancer Center, where I trained for a few years, and I heard him say this and I just loved it. No drug works as fast as changing your mind, because when we change our minds, we change the drugs that are circulating in our bodies.